Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cancel Spotify subscription. So to cancel a Spotify subscription, you shall log into your account using a browser. So once you log into your account using a browser, what you need to do is click on your profile icon, click on your accounts. Once in your account section, scroll down till you see manage your subscription. Click on the manage your subscription. So now here, if you have got a Spotify premium or any subscription, then you will have an option of cancelling it. You will here see a cancel button. So what you will do is click on the cancel button and your Spotify subscription will be cancelled. And thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.